Alright guys, I took the battery off in the Subaru. I still have 16 Forester. This is pretty much simple, but I'll do it anyway. For you to program the memory auto up and down, it's actually down right now, so hello. But when you come back up, you want to hold it the whole time it goes up, and hold it for another 10 seconds each way. Right, so you go up, let it go up. I don't have the key on right now, but just showing you. And then same thing with down. Hold it down, push it and hold it down. You'll feel a second click, and just keep holding it. Once the window goes down to its bottom position, keep holding another 10 seconds, and there you go. The auto should be up, down, because it loses memory when you pull the battery off. Not a big deal. That's actually almost all windows are like that, but there you go. There you have it. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.